Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing the foundational accounts and proof. This is not optional. Create or confirm an Apple ID, enable two-factor authentication, and enroll in the Apple Developer Program with the correct legal entity. If you represent a studio, obtain a DUNS number and match the legal business name to Apple's records. This avoids verification delays. Once done, set up payment and tax info in App Store Connect, and prepare a dedicated contact email so Epic and Apple can reach you for developer onboarding. Now you connect with Epic and configure build tools. This is where most errors happen. Create an Epic Games developer account, join any required creator programs, and download Unreal Editor or the Epic toolchain you'll use for Fortnite content. Sign in with your Epic ID inside the editor, then link your Apple developer credentials so you can request provisioning profiles. Generate an iOS app ID. Create an iOS distribution certificate and provisioning profile. And make sure bundle identifiers match across Epic and Apple. Finish by producing a properly signed build and managing permissions with both platforms. Archive and export an iOS build signed with your distribution certificate. Upload it via Xcode or transporter to App Store Connect. While Apple reviews, request any required Epic access or creator permissions in Epic's developer portal so your content can link to Fortnite services. If Apple rejects the submission, read the rejection note carefully, correct bundle ID, entitlements, or metadata, then rebuild and resubmit. If Epic access stalls, follow up with their developer support using your registered account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.